Hey there traders, Des here with Grok Trade. It's Thursday, November 24th, 2013. Markets go bullish today. The S&P up 0.33%, the Dow up 0.62%. Microsoft actually came out with earnings up post-market. You have NASDAQ up 0.56%, the Russell's up 0.7%, the bank's up 0.36%, and the VIX down 1.6%. And we saw that the banks were showing relative strength going into yesterday's close, so it showed a bullish sentiment for today, and sure enough, that came to fruition. Precious metals up. We have gold up 0.94%, with silver up 0.55%, and we have crude oil up 0.11%, with the US dollar down 0.14%. Transportation index is up 0.9%. Nice run here, bullish move. Utility index, which is the defensive sector, down 0.14%. So right now we're seeing a bullish sentiment out there in the markets. Here's the S&P 500. Yesterday I said we had a lower high, lower low. Be very careful in this scenario. We are very extended going higher here. Watch for a retracement. Best thing that could probably happen, I said, and the most probable thing that would probably happen would be a sideways motion. We needed to build that sideways motion to give ourselves a really nice base in which to launch from later on. So I don't think that we're out of the woods yet. Still a decent chance of a correction taking place. I expect tomorrow to be yet another bearish day, but I expect us to stay between this gray line and this lower blue line, and I could see that happening. Taking a look at the NASDAQ actually gave us a higher swing high, or a higher high and a higher low. So it's showing a lot of relative strength. Gold here continues to march higher, closing above the 50-day moving average and all major moving averages. Silver doing the exact same thing. And taking a look here at Google, which was down 0.6%. We just keep going higher and higher, but we're starting to slow down a bit. Apple was up 1.3%. It just continues to march northbound. And Facebook was up 1%. And we have a doji, a little pop here. We should have had a bigger white candlestick. We did not get that. So a little bit of weakness here. Microsoft did report, so it's going to close up. Right now it closed at 33.72. And now we're at 35.60 post-market. And let's see, I want to also show you on our bull list for today, our big winner was up nearly 5%, PRLB. EFX was up big too, boom, to the upside. That was on our bull list. And on our bear list, our big loser was RYN, just big crash to the downside. Also SNPS, big crash to the downside, finding support 200-day moving average. Anybody could have their hands on the bull list and the bear list that we do each weekend. That's part of that. But the real secret sauce is shared in the mentorships, and we'll have one coming up in Vegas. So anyway, all you Grok grads that are out there, several hundred of you now, you got an email from me yesterday with a very special offer to come out and hang out with us at the Traders Expo next month. And so the rest of you be watching your email box for an invite to come out also. Take care and safe trading all. Listen to the next announcement. This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading all full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
Yeah. It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.